Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to share your TikTok content with a wider audience, you'll need to switch your account from private to public. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to do just that. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to switch from private to public. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On your profile page, you'll see 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner, which represents the menu. Tap on this icon to access your account settings. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled Privacy. Tap on it to access your account's privacy settings. Within the privacy settings, you'll see an option that says Private Account. If your account is currently private, this toggle switch will be turned on. To switch your account to public, simply toggle this switch off. TikTok might ask you to confirm your decision to switch to a public account. Confirm by tapping Switch to Public or a similar option. You're done. Congratulations! Your account is now public, which means anyone on TikTok can view your videos, follow you, and interact with your content. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.